Their involvement shortened my amount of work by hundreds of %. Like, I would have spent many days trying to figure out how to use the tools to the level and get Power BI outputting data that made sense. They also offered their time to help me understand how to use the tools effectively. Their guidance provided almost instant benefit, where that time isn't something that I had to spend alone. I've worked with Microsoft employees that are Power BI experts, as well as other partners that have Power BI disciplines. And Collectiv had much higher skill set than I expected. They delivered results very quickly, effectively, and the deliverables were right on point. A lot of consultants tend to deliver something that's not quite perfect, but I didn't have that problem with Collectiv. They delivered exactly what I would have expected and more.